Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Chainlink. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Chainlink. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the current price of the Chainlink in the market is 21.9 USD dollar. 21.9 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Chainlink. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chainlink, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, the last one day, last 1 week price changes occur in the Chainlink is positive, just the last 1 hour changes is negative. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Chainlink for more and better understanding. Guys, this is the special message for everybody, so keep watching this video complete and enjoy, and also make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Now the current price of the Chainlink is 21.9 USD dollar, negative 0.77%. The price decrease in the last 2 hours, 22.16 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chainlink in the last 2 hours. So absolutely, I think now the current price jumps, but don't worry, everything will be okay. Now you know what, the special message for everybody is that please, now I recommend for everybody that please buy now Chainlink more and more. And Chainlink is also now in a trending coin in the market, so buy now. Anyways, before starting this video, a lot of people also ask me that what is the best coin to buy in the August. It is a beginning of a new month. It is a beginning of August, so now I recommend for everybody that please buy now Chainlink. Anyways, remember that I am not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.